what is the ultimate goal on the Buddhist practice? The ultimate goal for the Buddhist practice is, to end all the causes and sources of suffering, problem, pain in ourselves, and attain the lasting, everlasting, and most kind of highest level of peace and happiness and joy for ourselves, and also to try to bring everybody without any exceptions, without leaving anybody behind, to that state of lasting peace and happiness. That is called Samyak Sambuddha, or complete Buddhahood, or complete enlightenment. And that is the goal, or the ultimate goal of practicing Dharma. And therefore, you try to understand what are the, what exactly is the problems within, ourselves. And then, why we are not completely, free from difficulties, pain, problem, why we are not completely joyful, satisfied, and unable to have the highest level of joy and satisfaction, and then try to understand the causes that prevent us from having that, for myself or for anybody, and then try to work on how to change that situation, how to get rid of these causes that brings problem, suffering, pain. And then when you actually are able to do that, that's what we call enlightenment. And from Buddhist point of view, that enlightenment or that Buddhahood is not something that you get from outside. From outside, like changing your laws or social system, or the governments, or you can't change through that. You can only do it through transforming yourself. And what do you mean by that is your own, how you experience things, how you see yourself, how you understand yourself. So therefore, the result of enlightenment or Buddhahood is what is called as a result of of clearing, to get rid of the problem, to get rid of the how do we light up something, how we make everything visible by getting rid of the darkness. So when the darkness is gone, then everything is visible. So therefore, that, everything is there in us. All the positive qualities are there in us, but we don't see it, we don't experience it. And so when we get rid of this, what we sometimes call defilements, that prevents us from seeing this or experiencing this, which sometimes we call it ignorance. When we get rid of the ignorance, then we become enlightened. So therefore, it's not something that you have to get from outside. It is not something that is developed or growing in us, which was not there before. It's just to take off the veil. So that's what we call enlightenment or Buddhahood, and that's the ultimate goal. And any steps towards that is also a temporary goal. That's it.